our Superbike road test. There's Paul Young on a marvellous new GSXR 600. You can't even get his knee down, look at that. British super sport racer can't even put his knee on the ground. Some of these bends are a bit tighter than you think they are, and there are fucking stones everywhere, look at all that. That's last year's 600 Super Sport class winner, the CBR 600 from Honda. Dave Smith riding it with his fancy new leathers on. I should mention I'm on the R6. This is a screamer. Here's Mr. Roots on the Kawasaki ZX6R. Slightly bigger than the rest. There's still bloody stones everywhere. Kawasaki's got a bit more mid-range front now, it's leaving me behind. What a beautiful road! Come on, Yamaha! And finally at the front is Mr. Alan Dowles on time 675 Daytona. Breaking random, which is fucking handy. Go on now, give it some. The triple should have a lot more power out of the corner than the R6 has got, so we should be able to leave me behind a bit. There you go, pulling away, especially up this hill. Couldn't even accelerate there, I tried. You can see everyone behind me. There's two old ladies, you always see two old ladies walking around in Spain, randomly walking about. I hope you can hear all this, because it's a bit windy inside this goddamn helmet. These roads are lovely. We've come all the way from rainy old Croydon to ride around on roads just like this. It's taken us a day and a half to get here. Just Dave Smith and I in the van. Getting left behind here. And this is why we travel all this way. Beautiful sunny pictures, beautiful mountains. Some beautiful motorbikes. I love my job, it's fucking great. I'm paid to do this. Only hard part is thinking about the bikes rather than thinking, where am I going, what am I doing? It's a well-known fact that most motorcyclists sing, talk to themselves, make up nursery rhymes inside their helmet while they're riding along. This is the first time I'm actually vocalising what's going on inside my head. I suppose I should talk about Normally I'd be looking around and seeing, ooh, look at the trees, look at the birds, oh, there's a farm there, tractor. Look at the blossom, things like that. Oh, looks such a twat when this is out. It's a beautiful thing, look at that. I'll let you into a secret, I hate this part. You come along on a photo shoot and you follow the car for ages. Not a big fan. Anyway, here's the marvellous Renault Scenic being expertly driven there by Douglas. Picture man and machine in perfect harmony. And here's Titty Grass. That's a funny name for a place. It's a bit like a tit. Well, I hope you're enjoying Spain, dear viewer. It's a marvellous place to come on a motorbike. It's just a bit difficult to find something to eat in the middle of the day. Let's try and ride flat out down a long straight bit of road again. Why? Well, just because it's good fun.
Nice. What was that then? What was the top of that?
Oh, I can't remember now. I said it on the way down there. 157 or something.